Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Luna Classic update today. And so Luna Classic at the moment is quite bad. It's really frustrating to see Luna Classic. And if I go back into the 4-hour time frame, well, you have your chance to make a statement. Okay, I've talked about the area for the past 2-3 videos, and you have left the area officially. You have closed below the area, even worse. Now, can you move back up into the area? Then we're safe. Because if you get rejected at the area, then you probably will be coming down to the next technical target of nearly 12,000 here. So we're talking about a move down from there. We're talking about a 20% more dump to the downside. Okay, and I don't know, right? It is what it is. It's just how I do see things right now. Now the RSI does show that there's a little bit of support going on. If I show you this line here, take that line all the way and you drag it all the way. So it has come to one very big important support, because this is the very same support. You always bounced off number 1, you bounced off here number 2, and you bounced off here number 3. And the interesting thing about this RSI is that the time it took to come down to this support is pretty much the same. The time frame it took here was from 16 October all the way to 21 November, almost a month to come down to touch it. And then from 21 November, and now you are sitting at nearly 19 December, so almost another 1 month it took for you to come to the downside. So the RSI does suggest that this is one of the best places to buy Luna Classic, and it's not me. So is this just a fake out? It might be a fake out, and we actually could be looking at Luna Classic going to the upside, because honestly, even though we are breaking down like this, something doesn't really seem to be right to me. Like, it's not really meant to go down, honestly. I mean, there's so many different reasons why that I've never even talked before. And if I have to talk about those reasons, well, it starts off with the falling wedge. Okay, so the falling wedge is what really tells me that this is your huge falling wedge right here, and you're still short of this technical target, even up to 35,000, right? So yeah, that's reason number 1. Reason number 2 is because you have the first wave, second wave, third being the largest, fourth wave, and then probably just go for another fifth wave. Something still doesn't look right to me that Luna Classic should be going to the downside. When it was bearish, we talked about it being bearish, and now it's kind of bullish. And on the 4-hour time frame, we do have the best support I've just showed you right now. So let's see what happens today. Today's quite important. Actually, the next 2 days are we're gonna get our answers of what happens. If we pump inside back into the zone, that's pretty much a fake out, and we might be looking for another impulsive move. If you, however, go lower, let's say, I think this is going to summarize everything. If you actually do come down to let's say 13,682, that's pretty much where we confirm this box being lost for good. And that's it for the update on Luna Classic. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.